Good morning everyone, happy 15th of December. 10 days, can't believe it's 10 days. Tomorrow we're down to single digits. Say no more. Join me the other side of the intro and let's have a bit of Karen's crazy Christmas fun. You ready? Hit it, maestro! Well, put my glasses on so I can see you all. Yay, that's far better. We're gonna have some fun today. Something unusual today. I'm really excited and I haven't done it since May. Crazy. Right, so then, as we know, on the 15th of December 2019, we have Vlogmas. Lights, camera, action. You keep expecting John Wayne to trot out behind me, don't you? Which would be really interesting because one, he's dead, and two, there's no room for a horse. But anyway, there we go. So then, just start with our advent calendar, shall we? So then, 15, where are we? It's getting lighter and lighter every day, you know. Right, I can't even see 15. Oh, there it is. Why do they always put the numbers, a dark number on a dark colour? It's like, give me neon. Right, I've got a Christmas tree. I can tell from the shape. Right. We have a little Christmas tree. Well, we did have a little Christmas tree. We had a little Christmas tree for 2 minutes. Delicious. And there's a reason I've got my Japanese mug today. Might be a hint to what we're going to do. The title might even be a bigger hint. I have to spoil it every day, don't I? So, and we have to put keywords in and titles. So, oh, else no one finds us. Interesting fact, you know, sometimes it takes longer to do the editing and the title bit than it does filming the video. Did you know that? Oh yeah, and that's what's on my Christmas list. I did something really silly the other day. I saw my friend Mitzi's intro and I was like, oh, you got moving things. Anyone that has moving things on the intro, I'm like a child to, you know, a window, pressing your nose against the window, looking in. So they told me, so I bought it. I then decided to look at what operating systems it was for. And it wasn't for mine. So anyway, I'm getting a refund, thank heavens. It wasn't bad price either, but it was for Windows and it was £70. But what I really need to buy is the Final Cut Pro is what I really need to buy. And it's really complicated. I did my planning channel intro on it, so I'll put it here so you can check it out. And it took me forever to do it because it was really complicated. But I think I need that. But it's like £299, so we'll save up for that one. I'll have to be extra nice next year, won't I? So let's have a look at my Primark calendar. See what I've got in here. Yeah, I think I've had quite a lot of fill this year, haven't I? Yeah, I think I have. So yeah, it'll be nice next year. Hopefully. Hey, they might have a sale for New Year's. We're away New Year's Day, but I might just have to like have a little look. And you know what's really disgusting? Now this is really disgusting. It does make me mad. If you buy it in America, it's $299. But I can't buy it in America because my Apple account is British. So I have to do it here and pay £299. And today the rate is 1.3. So not good at all. Right then, so we've got a silver Mickey glove. So not only are we having fun today, we're talking politics, aren't we? I mean, you really don't ever know what's coming on any day, do you? I mean, and this is the worrying bit, neither do I. I'm sure some channels must have like a script in front of them and read it. And I just go with the flow because it's more fun, isn't it? Right, number 15. So, let's do my, the box doesn't want to do up. Ah, there we go. I have to do it up because I stand it against the wall ready for the next day. Right, so, there we go. Do you know, there's not a lot of things I'd have liked about the old-fashioned times, but this with paper and string, I suppose it's got more nostalgia value, hasn't it? If you lived in that time, you wouldn't have liked it, but I know I like this. This is going on my tree. Look at that. It's actually got my initial on it. Can you believe? It's a I didn't realise. I thought it said H to start with. It's actually got my initial on a Ravenclaw sweater. Come on, this is a fabulous box, isn't it? I mean, we've had a few things that have been a bit like, but that is fabulous. So that is going on my box. It's obviously nothing I'm ever going to get into with the best diet in the world, but that's going on my tree. I love that. And it's on a little hanger. Yeah, I love that. I love this box. So shall we have another drink? Because we've got a bit of a mystery unboxing, but my washing machine's just finished. I've got to turn it off because it's been beeping and doing my head in. Hang on. I can't believe I'm not open what I'm going to show you now. So it's an unboxing and it's a Japanese unboxing. And I'm really thrilled. I have got 9 boxes of these and they're like little collectible figures, if you like. But they're on all the different foods, and when we were there we tried so many of the foods, and some of them you won't have seen yet because they haven't uploaded on the video. So we got 9 boxes of these to see how many we could actually get. And then the plan is I'm going to get, oh, what do you call it in America? The deep frame. We just, a shadow box. We don't have those, we just have a deep frame. And I'm going to glue it on and put it in the office, and it'll be all the foods that we actually ate while we were over in Japan. I thought that was lovely. Now, when we were getting these, it was hilarious. There was a woman in the shop going, and we looked at her, and Phil went, he said, that sounds smaller than that. I said, there you go on, do it. So we stood there rattling all the boxes. So if we don't get the set, it's his fault. So we got it out there and he's aware. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There might be 8. I don't know. I don't know is the honest answer. So, but I have got 9 boxes. So, you ready? I can't believe I've not opened these. And I've got the Harry Potter mystery pins as well. I haven't opened them. Right. Oh, they show you inside. Oh, okay. Can't believe I've not opened these. Now I'm not going to take them out the bag, I don't think, because I'm worried I'm going to lose them. Did you see me in this week's Tokyo Tuesday video eating the Mickey ice bar, the tropical one? And there it is. You got the wrapper and the bar. And we got popcorn. And I've got a video. I've tried all 10 flavours of popcorn. And we're going to, the first clip came up actually, so I've saved that, so I've got to find the other 9 clips, and we did a video, and then I'll edit it and put it all together. These are really nice, you know, to put into like a frame and glass on. And see, I didn't realise there were 3 in there. Oh, I should have done really. Right, okay, so if we look in the box there, there's the 3 together, isn't there? So there's 3. So I'm guessing you'll get the drink and the waffle. Ooh, okay. Can't believe I've not opened these. How daft is this that I haven't opened them? Right, what's in this bag? Oh, well, it didn't do very well at all then, did it? So I've got another duplicate. I've got 1 duplicate. We don't want another one, do we? So, yeah, so I've got 2 of those. I'm really hoping we don't get lots because I only had 1. I could do 10 popcorns because I had 10 popcorns, but I only want 1 or 10. You don't want less, do you? You want the exact number. Ah. Oh, wow. Oh, these, I'm so glad we got these. So you've got the Sweetheart Cafe tray, and that is exactly like the tray when you go in there, and that's like their bakery. And here you've got, it's like an apple Danish, I'd have said that was. Now, I did get 4 different things from there, and I can't remember if I got one of those. But I definitely got the Mike melon bread, and I love that. Oh, wow. This will be really nice, won't it? And what a lovely memory to have over your desk of all the foods you've tried. Do you know, he's done a really pants job, hasn't he? Oh, they're all different, Karen. Well, I've got another Mike one now. So, okay, so we've got 2 and 2. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. I'll have to fire him as my husband. What do you think? Jenny's going, no. Oh, the memories that these bring back. We ate in the Good Time Cafe, we did. And I had the Mickey burger, but I had it without the meat. So, yeah, so the bread, it's so light. I'll put a photo in here if I can find it. And then with the fries, oh, I just can't believe this. Really special memories, isn't it? And what a lovely way to keep those memories. It's a different one. Now, I can't remember. Oh, crikey, where's this from? I don't know. Right, we went into, there's a boat there. Is it in Disney Sea? I think it's in Disney Sea. So we went on the boat. So you've got Mickey there, and you've got, I think that's a life ring. Unless it's meant to be a donut. But they've got the strawberry bar. Now, I can't remember if Phil tried this or not, but that's the strawberry one as well. Peach and raspberry. I don't know until I edit the rest of the videos. Isn't that silly? I can't remember. And you know, that's the lovely thing about editing the trip videos, because you sit there smiling, you remember. As I was editing it, oh, I've got another one of those. He's got me another French fry and burger. As I'm going through it, it's like, it's just bringing it all back. It's lovely. It's really lovely. And I've got all the people I'm remembering that I met, and everyone in Japan is just amazing. The Western world can learn so much from them as a nation, definitely. Yeah, the respect you show each other. And I thought, oh, I'll never bow because that's a bit straight. You do it automatically. It's, yeah. And I've got a 3rd burger. Dear me. So the ones I haven't got yet, I haven't got the waffle and the coffee. Now, in fairness, I didn't have a waffle and a coffee, so I'm not too worried about that. So I think there's only 6 in the set. So I've got 4. So I didn't get the waffle and the coffee, but we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got the other 4 things. Waffle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we haven't got the mystery item. So I've got 4 out of 6. And I've still got 4 out of 6 because I've got, yet again, another one of these bars. So him going, didn't work, did it? Yeah, I'm going to fire him. I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm actually quite happy because we didn't have the waffle and the coffee, and I don't know what the other one is, so it doesn't matter. My battery's flashing. Hope you enjoyed that. Join me tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now. It's not often I have to race to beat the camera battery. Bye for now. See you, bye.